Rukh Khan shines in Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. Prabhas dominates in Bahubali. Amori Nolasco captivates in Prison Break. Amir Khan inspires in Lagan. Michael B. Jordan triumphs in Creed. The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, excites audiences in Jumanji. Lee Jung-jae stuns the world in Squid Game. Yash roars in KGF. Chapter 2. Salman Khan moves hearts in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Leonardo DiCaprio conquers cinema in Titanic. Scott Adkins impresses with action in Boyka. Wagner Moura commands attention in Narcos. 50 Cent tells his story in Get Rich or Die Trying. Donnie Yen fights with honor in Ip Man. Tom Cruise thrills in Mission Impossible. Al Pacino leaves a legacy in The Godfather. Johnny Depp charms as Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean. Ajay Devgan delivers power in Singham. NTR Jr. electrifies in RRR. Allu Arjun rules the screen in Pushpa. Vijay astonishes in Mercil. Jackie Chan amazes in Police Story. Tiger Shroff kicks high in Bagi. Ram Charan shines in RRR. Jean-Claude Van Damme strikes hard in Kickboxer. Mostafa Jamani enlightens in Yusuf El Sedek. Rockmon Doomba supports with strength in Prison Break. Russell Crowe conquers in Gladiator. William Fichtner intrigues in Prison Break. Cillian Murphy dominates in Peaky Blinders. James Spader leads brilliantly in The Blacklist. Alvaro Moat masterminds in La Casa de Papel. Alexander Ludwig rises in Vikings as Bjorn Ironside. Kiefer Sutherland protects in 24. Jet Li dazzles in Hero. Ranbir Kapoor transforms in Animal. Ranveer Singh rules in Padmavat. Travis Fimmel legends as Ragnar Lothbrok in Vikings. Akshay Kumar entertains in Khiladi. Rajnikant amazes in Robot. Wentworth Miller breaks free in Prison Break. Colin Morgan enchants in Merlin. Jimon Hounsah inspires in Gladiator. T.O.P surprises in Tajja. The High Rollers. Khan Hanyul charms in Midnight Runners and When the Camellia Blooms. Amitabh Bachchan creates magic in Sholay. Sunny Deol moves crowds in Gada. Ek Prem Katha. Morgan Freeman investigates in Say 7N. Dominic Purcell struggles in Prison Break. John Cena fights in The Marine. Robert Nepper chills as Teabag in Prison Break. Omar S.Y. inspires in Inchables. Chuck Norris defends in Walker, Texas Ranger. Denzel Washington impresses in Training Day. Will Smith entertains in Men in Black. Anil Kapoor shines in Mr. India. Benicio del Toro thrills in Sicario. Eduardo Noriega surprises in Abre Los Ojos.